Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to delete AOL Mail application from your Android device. But before moving on to our video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our video, firstly make sure that AOL application is installed on your device to delete it. For this you don't actually need an internet connection. To delete AOL application completely from your Android device, you can long tap on the application and then press uninstall button. After you press uninstall, it will ask you if you are sure to uninstall this application or not. Another way is by opening Play Store and in the search bar type AOL, then go inside the application and there you can see an uninstall button. Press there and it will again ask you if you want to confirm the uninstall program. Press uninstall, then the application will be removed from your system forever. So this is how you delete AOL application from your Android device. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any feedbacks or questions. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.